Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download, install and configure the Joomla Flickr component, a really simple Joomla component that allows you to show your Flickr pictures within your Joomla installation. First of all, let's go and download the Joomla Flickr component. It is hosted under bitbucket.org. This is the complete URL. Just click on the Downloads tab. Under the Uploaded Files section, you have the latest stable version of the component, in this case the 1.03 version. Under Tags Snapshot, you will find the tip version of the component, that is the very latest version with all the latest, the newest features. And this is exactly what we are going to use in this tutorial. Let's download, for example, the zip file. We save it into our downloads folder. We go into our Joomla administration panel where we log in as an administrator. Here we go into extensions and then install. And this is exactly what we want to do. We want to install a new package, so we browse for a package and we select the one that we just downloaded and we click on upload file and install. And as you can see, we just had a successful installation. Here, under components, you will have a new entry, Joomla Flickr, that shows that essentially the installation worked. Here are the instructions for configure the component, and this is exactly what we are going to do into this screencast. So we click on menus and menu manager. We select our favorite menu, the one in which we want to add a link to the new photo gallery, for example the main menu for our website. And we go and click into the menu item column. We add a new entry by clicking on new. We select Joomla Flickr. Then under Joomla Flickr we select default layout. We select the title for the menu, Joomla Flickr. If you want, you can play with all the other available options, but what is important is that you go and edit component parameters in here. Here it will ask you for a Flickr key. What is a Flickr key? Flickr key is something that identifies you under Flickr. So you go into your Flickr account, so we go into flickr.com, we sign in, and here under Explore you have the App Garden, in which you will easily find the Get an API key. Choose a non-commercial key and we specify a name for our web application in the description. Check these two boxes and now we submit the form. And here is our key. We copy the key into the clipboard and we paste it in here. Then we are prompted for a Flickr username. Pay attention to this, because Flickr has two different concepts, a Flickr username and a Flickr screen name. The Flickr username is the one that we used to log in into our Flickr account. The Flickr screen name is the one that is shown here and could be slightly different from the username. This is exactly what we want to use into our Joomla Flickr component. So as you can see, this is a Joomla Flickr with capital J, capital F and a space between the two words, and this is exactly what we are going to put in here. You can select how many pictures do you want to see in every page. You can select the maximum number of pictures per row, and you can select if you want to enable or disable the lightbox and instant effects. In this case, we want to show both effects. So we just save, and we can preview our website, which now we have a new Joomla Flickr entry under the main menu. If we click on this, here we go. you have two albums in here, black and white and colored, and these are exactly what you have under your Flickr account, black and white and colored. So if we click on one of the sets, here is your photo gallery. You can click on the pictures and you can browse by clicking on the right part of the image with next and going to the next picture, or you can go back to the previous one. You can quit this JavaScript effect. A slideshow effect is also available in here. Essentially, it's a really simple slideshow. It's the one that is provided by Flickr. So in this browser, I don't have the Flash player installed, so I cannot see that. But if you install, you will see that. Well, I think that's all for now.